Hi Namaste, this is Kiran Kumar. Welcome to Kiran's channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to save Windows 10's lock screen spotlight images into your hard drive in a very easy way. Windows 10 has so many attractive and delighting features. One of them is lock screen. Spotlight images showing in lock screen are so attractive and so many users want to utilize them as their desktop wallpaper too. But finding these spotlight images is not so easy as they don't have any extension. The image identification also becomes difficult. In this video, I am going to tell you a simple way to find these spotlight images. You can see these images though they have no extension. For this, you need to install a software called Nomax Image Launch. This Nomax is an image viewer and open source software. After installing the software, open the command, copy the given below path there and hit enter. This will open a window where these spotlight images are located. Windows regularly replaces these images, so we can't get old images. Only recent images we can get here. There are files of different file sizes you can see here. The big size files only the files we are looking for. Right click on any big size file, select open with Nomax. That's it. Though these files have no extension, you can see what they are with this Nomax image viewer. Go through the images and any image you like, just hit save button, give name and path. Here you go, you saved the spotlight image. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again with another interesting topic. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.